Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram verification code not sending problem. To do this, first go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search for Telegram application. Scroll down and tap on storage. And now tap on clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache again. After doing that, go back and go to your Play Store. Search for Telegram application. Update your Telegram application. After that, open your Telegram. Now check your internet connection and make sure you are using the mobile data. Now try to log in again. Now type your any active email address. Now get the code from your email address. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.